Oh my god, guys. Okay, I just got the 13 mini, the iPhone 13 mini, as you know from the title. I got it in pink, 128 gigabytes, which is the lowest one, which is enough for me. So let's open it. So this is the box. They did change the box. It's way slimmer than the iPhone 6 Plus box and the old boxes. It's almost like half, almost half thinner. So it is kind of heavy because it has a phone. So, sorry. Yeah. It does not come with a power brick, so, and earbuds. That's why it's super thin. And so it says iPhone in pink right here. And Apple logo is pink. So is another iPhone in the bottom one too. So let's open it. Whoa, that was okay. Let's open the bottom one. Just some tabs. That's it. They don't put the plastic over it anymore. They just stopped that in the new 13s just because more Apple trying to save some plastic. Save the turtles. Oh my god. Okay, this is very pretty pink. It's not as, it doesn't look as good as on camera, but it is very pretty. So let's open it. Oh my god, this is my first ever brand new iPhone. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Okay, I've always wanted a pink iPhone. It is really pretty. I don't want to put fingerprints on the screen, so I will do that later. But look, it's so pretty. So it has like a glossy back. Don't want to put, oh wait, so it's not, does not collect fingerprints on the back. And then it has like a matte side. You can see that. And then it has like a glossy. It looks like white on the camera for some reason, but no, it's pink. It looks way more better in in reality than video than I saw on some videos. I also did look at this on the Apple store when we went to pick it up. My grandpa had ordered it last night and then we picked it up today. I've been wanting to open it for like, it's been a couple hours. I have not been able to open it. So yeah, that's a phone. We'll put it on the side right here. So the phone's over there. Now let's see what's inside the box. So they don't have the brick, of course. So they just have this lightning cable, and then we also have some of this. Okay, let's see what's in here. So you get a SIM injector, just a tiny instructions manual. People were kind of getting sick of that. I don't know why. But okay, so, and an Apple sticker. They used to give 2, but they only give 1 now, so that's sad, but okay. At least we still get 1. Who knows, later on we might not even get 1, but that will be very sad. I love Apple stickers, even though I don't even use them, but they're fun to collect. Just fun. Okay, so that was all in the box. That was it. Just this, that's it. So, okay, so empty box now. Okay, now let's check out the phone. So it's a very nice pink. I don't want to open the screen yet. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't want to open the screen yet. So this is like, whole look. Has the Apple sticker in the middle this time. Diagonal. If you don't know, the iPhone 12s and the 12 minis were going like this way. And the camera module, they say this whole like bump, the camera bumps around it, it did get bigger. Yeah, that's basically it. This is my first ever phone that was not like used. Like, this is my mom's old box, my mom's old phone's box. She used to have the 6 Plus, but it broke, so that's sad. So I got this one. So I got a new one because it only works with just some music. Her old phone, if you use it for like main stuff, it will break. So I'm very excited to be getting the 13 mini. It looks so good, really nice. I can't wait to be starting to use it. And yeah, so also what is different, like the cameras, this was here instead of now they moved it there. And the cameras are a little bit bigger, just this tiny bit. And if you don't know, the iPhone XS and the XS Max had the like, it was like way more down. It was not center in the middle. So that is different. It got changed in the iPhone, I don't know, 12 or 11. But that is really nice. And there is this is a new color. Apple never had the pink color before. So yeah, well, let's peel this off. That was so satisfying. Oh my god. I want to do that again. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to try to do that again because it was very satisfying. Okay. Okay. Yes. So that is a phone. Oh my god, I don't want to even touch it. Okay, so what looks different is, like, if you can't see, the camera is like a little bit different, like right here at the top. It used to be the camera. It's a little bit different. The camera's like on the very, it's on the very left. It's on the left, like kind of center on the very side, and then the rest is empty. And then the microphone, they moved to the top. I've noticed the bottom looks a little bit different right here. Yeah. So far, nothing else I've different. I don't know what this is for, but we will see. And then this is where we put the SIM. Let's see actually how big the SIM holder is, because I will see if my old SIM fits in there. Let me get the SIM injector out. Let's open it. Okay. I got it open. Okay, I think it's the same size. I'm not sure. I will see when I put my SIM card in here. I will see. Yes. I don't know if my old SIM card's gonna fit, but we will see. We will see. Wait, I don't have the 6 Plus with me right now because it's upstairs. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna power this on. It already has fingerprints, wow. Okay. Turn on. Okay, Apple logo. You can see me. There, right there. Okay. So, I see myself in it, so. Yes, I am using my baby. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so it showed the hello. It is different. So I will go be setting this up. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay. So like when I turn it back on, it does it again, and then when I flip it up, none. So if you're not ready to set it up, you can just shut it down and then show it to your friends. So that's the background. I really love it. So I'm gonna go set it up and I will be right back. Okay guys, I set up my phone. Oh. Okay. So I set up my phone. It's all set up. Okay, I really like the new setting on iOS 15. It's pretty nice. So I'm going to be, so this is not just it. I'm going to be, it's not going to stay like this forever. I'm going to be changing it up in a bunch of ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing the iPhone 13 mini in pink. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.